My DMs are literally filled with the message regarding Google Apprenticeship. That, ma'am, what is Google Apprenticeship? How many domains are there? What graduations we need to appear for this? Resume tapes? How is the application process? How much time it takes? And everything related to it. So in this video, I'll clarify your each and every doubt regarding Google Apprenticeship. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Prachi Dhyani, and in this video I'll clear each and every doubts regarding Google Apprenticeship. This video will be covered in two parts regarding Google Apprenticeship. Basics to each and every doubt you have will be clear at the end of the video. Let's start with question number 1. Who can apply? The person who has done their graduation in any domain, basically in any domain with less than of 1 year of experience can apply for this Google Apprenticeship. At what time forms are basically out for the Google Apprenticeship and how many times Google Apprenticeship forms are out? So, Google Apprenticeship forms are basically out in the month of August mid, approx 14-15 forms are out basically, but you can check it out in their career page also. Second thing, the forms of Google Apprenticeship are out only once a year. They are not coming twice or thrice in the year. They only comes once a year for 4 different domains as per 2025. Third, how many domains are available? In these basically Google Apprenticeships, there are 4 domains are available. Number 1, digital business marketing. Number 2, PM apprenticeship. Number 3, software application development apprenticeship. And number 4, data analytics apprenticeship. There are 4 apprenticeships that are basically open. 2 are for tech and 2 for non-tech. Now, question number 4 is the durations of the apprenticeship. The durations of the apprenticeship for tech roles is 1 year and for non-tech roles it is for 2 years. Yes, it is for 2 years for non-tech and 1 year for tech roles. Your application process will start approx of September and it will finally you will join the office for Google Apprenticeship approx April. In the first week of April you will join the office or in the last week of March. In between last week of March and first week of April, you will join office for Google Apprenticeship. So basically, its process takes almost 5 to 6 months. Most important doubt is step-to-step application process. How you have to apply. Number 1. First, you have to visit their career site to see the positions that are opening for apprenticeship roles domains. You can also see the notification that these are out by my channel. I'll update you first day when the officially they are announced that apprenticeship for 2027 is announced. I will make sure to post it into the channel. Number 2, after you visit career page, you have to fill your application process which needs some basic details regarding to you. Once you have submitted your application process, in the application process, you will have to, I think, upload the CV. That is very important. Then also a cover letter. Okay. After once you have submitted your application process, you will go for the part 2, that is Google Online Challenge. A test of, I think, 15 approx questions. That is cover basic knowledge base like quant, basics, pattern wise questions that you have to appear for. Once you have cleared the screening round, then you will go to the second round. Once you have cleared second round, that is Google Online Challenge test, afterwards you will get contacted by your recruiter. Then you will go through the telephonic interview. After that you will have 2 rounds of interview that are face-to-face virtual interview. Once and every steps in the process is eliminating process. If you get out in any of the process in between, you will not go to the further process. I think this is the very basic knowledge and you all are might clear. If you got everything clear, then after that your basic verification will be done and you will be able to join Google as an apprenticeship. So this is basic application process and it will take approx 5 to 6 months. After clarifying all your doubts for this video, I have a suggestion. When you see that the forms are out for Google Apprenticeship, apply as soon as possible. This is very important. Why is it important? I'll cover in part 2, where I'll share tips and tricks regarding Google Apprenticeship, how to crack it. I have also taken 2 interviews of the selected candidates, one for PM and second for SAD roles. Please watch them also. I'll add their link into the description also. And if you have any doubt and want such clarification about apprenticeship, internship in different companies and the process regarding to it, different job opportunities, please like, share, subscribe to this channel for such informative videos.